how does bringing your money offshore help with taxes for people who don't know anything about it?
Well, the basic concept is the following. Some countries will, in some countries, like for example, if you wanted to exit the United States and then just, cash out crypto money and different things, you would have to, depending on your wealth, you would have to either pay an exit tax to be able to do that and renounce your citizenship or your green card in the United States to then be able to do that. If it's under a certain threshold, and I believe it's like $2 million or three, I forget, then you don't have to pay that exit tax. So for you to do the exit, better be when you're not worth so much, so then you don't have to pay that exit tax. So then what happens is that the country that is giving you the preferred tax treatment, you would then apply for whatever program they have available for you, and then just follow the procedures on that, and then you would have that preferred tax rate for whatever activity you want, whether it's a business activity or whether it's for capital gains. There are other things as far as how it works that, to give you an example, you get taxed on the country that it's sourced in. So if it's being sourced, like your business activity is sourced in the Cayman Islands, then you're going to pay a percentage of taxes of 0%. So therefore, when you bring that global income into the United States, you're like, I already paid taxes somewhere else, foreign tax credit sort of thing. And then it's not exactly that easy as I'm explaining it, but I'm getting you the basic concept where you tell the American government, I already paid taxes somewhere else. I don't have to pay taxes in the United States because I cannot pay taxes twice in two different countries. So therefore, I would pay taxes in this country, Cayman Islands. And then you say, okay, fine. So what is the tax rate? Oh, it just happened to be 0, So there's other things. You can create manufacturers, and then whatever, it goes very complex into it, where you have maybe your intellectual property in one company internationally, and you bill it, you work together with the American company and you offset each other. It becomes very complex very fast. But the main concept is pay taxes somewhere else and don't pay taxes here in the United States. But the United States doesn't like that. So they'll give you a lot of hoops to jump through for you to actually achieve that. And it's very frowned upon by the government. So they'll give you incentives for you to act in a different way before you go offshore. They have a new thing now, which is the FDII, the foreign dividend for corporations, that they'll incentivize you to stay here in the United States instead of taking your money offshore. So the United States wants to incentivize you to keep the money here and keep Americans working. That's all I got to say about that. Before you plan to go offshore, then you might want to try things here.